six men were left in the world, an Australian, Spanish, Norwegian, Canadian, British, or American, which nationality would you choose to reproduce with and save humanity? If you could mix their DNA, which two nationalities would you combine? How do you see the world 100 years from now? What message would you like to give future generations? Can you please tell us your name and age?
Hi, I'm Elisa and I'm 25.
How are you tonight?
I'm doing good actually.
She looks like she's a happy person. So here's the question. If only six men were left in the world, an Australian, Spanish, Norwegian, Canadian, British, or American, which nationality would you choose to reproduce with and save humanity?
Well, actually, I don't have any experiences yet meeting those type of nationalities, but I have already encountered that in my work, a Canadian, British, and Australian. And I can say that based on my experience, the most kind is the British men or the British women.
So you will choose a British.
Yes.
So because they're kind.
Yeah.
That's it. Just because they're kind.
Yeah, and it's also about how the manner and the emotional way that they talk to Filipinos. They're much. They think about their words and they're much kinder. Nga.
Okay. If you could mix their DNA, which two nationalities would you combine?
I'm not too sure about that, but I think it's British and Canadian. Cause more it's more like the attitude that they have. So yeah.
Because of the attitude. So you're not really into like the physical, right?
I'm not really into physical. I'm more looking at the characteristics and the behaviors of a man if I like them or not.
I love that. It's very seldom to see someone like that. Okay. How do you see the world 100 years from now?
Well, I see the world 100 years from now being, I think it will be a great world because, especially with the technological advancement that we have. But of course, there will be challenges that we may encounter. But I hope that the people will continue to be more kind.
More kind. That's the best, like how you see the world. The people will be kinder. Okay.
Questions, huh?
For the last one. Okay. What message would you like to give future generations?
To the future generations, I just hope that you will continue to be brave enough to go to do what you want and go chase your dreams because there may be a lot of people that will hinder that, but as long as you stay true to yourself and as long as you know your core and your dreams, you go for it.
I love that. You are 25 years old. I believe you're not studying now, right?
Yeah, I'm already working.
May we know what's your job?
I'm a process delivery specialist in one of the most known companies globally.
May we know what the company is?
That's IBM.
Oh, are you single or do you have a partner?
I'm currently single right now.
How long have you been single? I'm so nosy, right? How long have you been single? Just curious. She oh my god, she's what do you call this? You're beautiful, smart, she has a job. So why are you single and how long have you been single?
Well, technically I'm single by the status, but I am talking to someone right now. It's just that it's not progressing into a relationship at the moment.
Okay, like getting to know each other.
Yeah, we're in a getting to know each other stage.
I love her. Seriously. What are your names and ages?
I'm Angelan, 18 po. I'm Cameron, 21.
Are you friends or relatives?
Friends.
If only 6 men were left in the world, an Australian, Spanish, Norwegian, Canadian, British, or American, which nationality would you choose to reproduce with and save humanity? Just pick one.
Australian. Canadian.
Australian and Canadian. Okay. Now, did you choose based on looks, culture, or intelligence?
Culture, I guess.
How about you, Beth?
I think culture and looks.
If you could mix their DNA, which two nationalities would you combine?
Filipino and Canadian.
Filipino is not in the list. Only Australian, Spanish, Norwegian, Canadian, British, or American. Which nationalities? Two.
Spanish and Canadian. British and American.
How do you see the world 100 years from now?
More on technologies. Yes. Halos same lang po talaga. Same.
Copy paste. Okay, what message would you like to give future generations?
Focus on your dreams and Atlante. Di ko siya na muna siya na. Sige na, palagos mo na, go. Study hard and focus on your dream.
Both are students, right?
Yes.
College students.
Yes.
You know what you're studying?
Medical technology.
Both the same.
Oh. Hospitality management.
What is your name and age?
My name is Judian and I'm 18 years old.
How are you tonight, Judian?
I feel exhausted po because I'm from UNC pa po.
Don't worry, you'll be home soon. So you can get some rest. Here's the question. If only 6 men were left in the world, an Australian, Spanish, Norwegian, Canadian, British, or American, which nationality would you choose to reproduce with and save humanity?
I would choose American because I believe Americans are intelligent and they are they are resourceful in life and they can make anything possible po.
Those are beautiful things, what you've just said. Have you ever met American in person?
Yes po, I have a relative po. Not really a relative but like just a friend of my grandmother po. She's but she's already dead.
Okay. She must be very kind.
Yes po.
Oh, she said generous. If you could mix their DNA, which two nationalities would you combine?
I would choose to combine Spanish and American because we Filipinos uh have been colonized by Spanish and I think we're doing very well because of them and by combining Spanish and American, I think it's a great combination.
Okay.
And I believe that it can contribute uh contribute by improving the environment.
Okay, or the humanity like that.
Yes.
How do you see the world 100 years from now?
I see the world 100 years from now as well developed, improved. Like we have flying cars, um, electric cars. Like the pollutions will be lessened, and I hope our government will have not corrupt politicians. I hope that the people will learn to vote who really is deserving for for our community to develop and be more improved.
If there's a time travel, I would love to see the flying cars.
Yes, I would love to.
You too?
Yes.
Right? It would be really fun, right?
Yes.
Okay. What message would you like to give future generations?
The message I would like to give to future generations is to you focus more on yourselves and not be not rely on AI or artificial intelligence, because some Gen Zs today, or uh some people my age, are relying too much on AI, and they can express ideas through by themselves. So I would like to say that you have to improve yourself more and believe in yourself, not by relying too much on other things or other gadgets like that.
Okay. You're 18 years old?
Yes.
You're very smart, positive, right? What course are you taking, Be?
Nursing pa.
That's why. There's so many nursing students here in Naga. And what year are you now?
First year.
First year. Do you have a boyfriend?
Ano pa? I don't have time for that.
She said no time. No, busy for school. No boyfriend since birth.
Yes.
What is your name and age?
Paul Yan, 20 years old po.
If only 6 men were left in the world, an Australian, Spanish, Norwegian, Canadian, British, or American, which nationality would you choose to reproduce with and save humanity?
Australian.
Did you choose based on looks, culture, or intelligence?
Looks and intelligence.
Have you ever met Australian in person?
Mm.
Okay, so well, how are you based on like social media like that?
Social media.
Social media. If you could mix their DNA, which two nationalities would you combine?
Two nationalities. Australian and Canadian.
Is there any reason behind it?
No, nothing.
You just
Looks.
What message would you like to give future generations?
Um. Oh my god, I'm so sorry po. Like, I got from class pa, so I'm totally drained pa po.
So nothing. You
Yeah.
have any message for them?
Nothing.
Even like just smile, be happy. How about the message for your great 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 grandchildren?
I don't have ano po na plan to have a family.
Oh, that's interesting. And you're only
20 years old.
20 years old. May we know what's the reason why?
I like myself like
Alone.
alone, yeah.
Very interesting.
Single.
Since birth.
Yes.
What course are you taking, Beth?
Nursing.
Beautiful. Very beautiful nursing. Okay, well anyway, thank you so much, babe. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hopefully we earn your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection